Tomatoes, often misunderstood as a vegetable, are, in fact, a fruit that has a fascinating history and an integral role in our culinary traditions. This documentary explores the world of tomatoes, shedding light on their incredible diversity, cultural significance, and the science behind their unique qualities. Explore the origins of the tomato in the Andes Mountains of South America. Discuss the journey of tomatoes to Europe and their early reception as a curious, exotic fruit. Examine the tomato's role in Italian and Mediterranean cuisines, including its association with pizza and pasta. Dive into the botanical classification of tomatoes as a fruit. Explore the various tomato varieties and their characteristics, from heirlooms to hybrids. Learn about the nutritional benefits of tomatoes, including their rich lycopene content. Take a trip to tomato farms to witness the planting, growing, and harvesting processes. Meet farmers and agricultural experts to understand the challenges and innovations in tomato cultivation. Discuss the impact of climate change on tomato farming. Travel to different parts of the world to explore the use of tomatoes in various cuisines. Discover the spicy salsas of Mexico, the rich curries of India, and the tangy chutneys of the Middle East. Meet chefs, home cooks, and food historians who share their tomato-inspired recipes. Explore the cultural significance of tomatoes in festivals, rituals, and traditions. Investigate the role of tomatoes in folklore and superstitions. Highlight the symbolism of tomatoes in art, literature, and popular culture. Discuss the controversies surrounding genetically modified, GMO, tomatoes. Investigate the impact of industrial agriculture on the flavor and diversity of tomatoes. Explore sustainable and organic farming practices that aim to preserve the tomato's natural qualities. Showcase stories of communities and individuals who have a special connection to tomatoes. Highlight the use of tomatoes in political movements and protests. Share personal anecdotes and family traditions related to tomatoes. Discuss ongoing research and innovations in tomato breeding. Explore the possibilities of vertical farming, urban gardening, and hydroponics for tomato cultivation. Conclude with a glimpse into the future of tomatoes in our kitchens and diets. The versatile vegetable of documentary is a journey that celebrates the humble tomato, from its origins in South America to its global impact on our plates and cultures. Join us in discovering the rich history, delicious recipes, and scientific marvels that make tomatoes one of the world's most beloved foods.